We're going to take some crab legs, crawfish, shrimp. What are you going to make?
Cajun stuffed potato.
And of course, there's going to be cheesy goodness. And you can see it's a little chilly here in Florida today. It's April. It's usually not cold like this. It's raining, but we're still going to do these potatoes. First thing I'm going to do, just take a fork, poke a few holes in these here taters. You don't have to put a lot. Help some steam, get some flavors of this olive oil I'm going to spray on them inside it. And I've got this Pam olive oil. It's better to have real olive oil. I went up into our pantry to get it. We're out of olive oil. So we're improvising. And now I'm just going to sprinkle each one with some kosher salt. For us, the more salt, the better. Then the final step, going to wrap them up in foil. Super easy to do. I'm using my pit barrel today. Going to get my potatoes on. Get the lid on. And you can see I've got the vent open on the bottom of this pit barrel to get a little bit higher cook temp.
To start, I'm going to make a Cajun sour cream sauce. I have a cup of sour cream and a half a cup of mayo in this bowl already. This is half of a squeezed lemon. This is a teaspoon of Creole mustard and Louisiana hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Now you just need some of your favorite Cajun seasoning. We're going to use this amazing Cajun seasoning, and I think I'm going to use just a couple tablespoons. Then we're just going to get this stirred all together. Once this is all stirred together, I am going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set up for about an hour. I'm going to give this just a quick taste just to make sure that it's got enough seasoning. It's pretty good, but I do think I want to put a little bit more hot sauce in it for us. And I think that should be plenty. Get that stirred in. Let's try that out. Yeah, it's good. I'm going to take this in and let it set up in the fridge. Let's get our seafood going. Some white wine to our pan. Some garlic. Some butter. Now we're going to add some salt. And we're going to add our crab legs. And our shrimp. Just going to add in a little bit more wine. We're going to add in the parsley. All right. And lastly, we're going to add in some crawfish. Just going to bring this to a boil for a minute or two, and then we're ready to take it off. I'm just going to get these crab legs out and let them cool for a little while. I'm taking the shrimp out. That's about 2 cups. I'm just going to mix this in well and let it go ahead and thicken up.
Let me just get some of that potato, some of that cheese goodness. You see I got a big shrimp. Ready?
Yep. That's good.
It's rich.
It's
that
very
cheese
rich.
sauce you made
That's cheese really rich.
is rich.
It's very rich.
Obviously you get the seafood, right? Got one of those crawdads just in.
I was going to say, you can really taste the crawfish. Yeah.
That might be the best potato I ever had. You did an awesome job. Hey, I've got some more twice baked potato recipes right down below.